Hello, this is Seamus and 7MYW. We've gotten to the part of the year that it's quite brisk out. It's quite cold. We're just about ready to head into winter, and my back deck is certainly a mess because of all of the windstorms we've been having. And it is quite cold out here. It's about 35 degrees right now. But something that I wanted to show again, I am sometimes quite envious of all of the hams that have beams and have abilities to put up large antennas and end-fed half waves and dipoles. I don't have that option here. I'm on as you can see, I'm on the third floor of an apartment complex. While I have an absolutely gorgeous view with a wetlands and some wonderful woodlands behind my apartment, I don't have a lot of space for antennas, so I have to go with verticals. And this is what I do. This is what I have. I have a series of all of the ham sticks made by Shark, as well as some by MFJ. And I use a quick release on each one of them. So each one of these sticks has a quick release on it. So really all I have to do each time I want to come out and change a band is to push down, twist, and pull that off of there. As you can see, if I can get it to focus, that's primarily what it is. Pardon the plane overhead. And so each time I come out here, I just need to put on the new one, just click it down, twist, and there it is. And it takes me up quite a ways. I am probably about, I'd say, 45 feet above the ground. Now, of course, you can see my VHF and UHF antennas next to me, and there's no problem with phasing there. But I have that one, and then I also have another one over there, as well as my loop. This is a great way for somebody who has limited space, either in an apartment or a condo, to be able to use HF and to be able to get out on the air. Now, I usually only operate FT8 and sideband with a little bit of CW, so I'm not putting out a ton of power. I rarely put out 100 watts. Usually I'm at 50 watts, and that's usually my max, but it does work really well. And you can pick up these ham sticks and any of these quick release adapters from Ham Radio Outlet, Gigaparts, DX Engineering. All of them stock them, so they're really easy to get. They're not very expensive, and it's a nice feature. I have now had these out here for going on 3 years and haven't had to change any of it out. I do use an MFJ mag mount. This is about a 5-inch mag mount here at the bottom. And it works really well, and no matter what the wind pattern is and how windy it gets, it is very, very sturdy. It's not coming off of there. And of course, because I have a steel balcony, steel railing here, it is an amazing counterpoise. It's a great ground plane, not counterpoise, but ground plane. Now, I have put a counterpoise right here before and trailed it along my deck, and that definitely helps, especially when the band conditions aren't very good. But otherwise, these tune up nicely. So I just wanted to share that and show that particular antenna setup works really effectively for me. Let me know what you think and what kind of an antenna system you have set up, especially if you are challenged when it comes to being able to put up an antenna anywhere. Put it in the comments down below, and if you enjoy this video, please subscribe if you're not a subscriber already, and hit the bell icon and give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. This is Seamus and 7MYW saying 73.